I was particularly delighted to be given the opportunity to review the Bosch Orbit sander. I've had quite a number of sanders over the years, but this one is among the best, if not the best. It's very well designed, with a soft touch insulated handle and auxiliary handle. The simple single on-off switch is situated on the top of the handle beside the variable speed thumb wheel control. It's fitted with a microsystem dust box with the option of connecting an extraction hose. The sanding discs are readily available and these will be fitted. Two are simplistic to use and extremely good value for money. I would definitely give it a 5-star rating and readily recommend it to a friend.